Good morning. Please take out your morning work folder and let's do Literacy and Math number 5. So open up to the penguin that has Literacy number 5 on his tummy. We're doing the exact same activity, writing the beginning letter and the ending letter. So first of all, we have to figure out what the pictures are and then we can fill in the letters, okay? So the first one is a fan. In fan, I hear the f sound. That is made by the letter F. The A is the A, and the ending sound is N, an N. F-A-N, F-A-N, fan. The next one is pen, pen. So that beginning letter is P, P. That's a P. Remember, the bubble sits on the line and the tail hangs down with the lowercase. The I is the I. And what I always think about is the pen that can stick you has an I, like in stick, I, and the pen that you write with has an E. And the N at the end, P-I-N, pen. Finally, we have net, N, E, T, N-E-T, N-et, net. Okay, in the middle it says I can color, trace, and write the words. So I'm going to go ahead and pull out a different color today. I'm going to make this a little bit thicker. And so the first word is A-N-D. I hope your coloring is way nicer than mine. The word is and. We've already had this memory word. A-N-D. And let's practice it again. A-N-D. And. The next memory word is look. L-O-O-K. Look. Again, I have that vowel team here. Since I don't have a short vowel sound, the word is going to end with a K instead of a CK. We're learning all about that CK sound, but CK comes at the end of a short vowel syllable. Okay? So L-O-O-K. Look. L-O-O-K. Look. And then finally L-O-O-K. Look, I'm starting to write like a maniac here. It got way crazy, didn't it? Okay, let's get rid of that red and get a blue crayon out instead so we can color our snowflakes. So today we're looking for words in the AB family, A-B. Okay, so here's one that's B-A-G. Does that end in A-B? No, I'm not going to color. How about this one? C-A-B. Yep, there we go. There's that AB sound. So we have k, ab, cab. Here's T-A-B. There's the A-B. Got to color that one. This one is R-A-N. Nope. And this one is L-A-B. That gets colored, okay? So the words in the AB family are cab, tab, lab. They all rhyme. They all have that same sound at the end. Okay, let's turn our page over and do our back. Okay, we're going to practice making addition sentences with a 10 frame. So they've given me some pictures inside a 10 frame. I've got to figure out how many they are of each to solve my problem. For this first one, I have the whole 10 frame full, and you can see that I'm making 10. So I have 1, 2, 3 candy canes, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 trees. So 3 and 7 together give me 10. 3 plus 7 equals 10. Over here, I'm only making 5. Half my 10 frame is empty. I'm not making 10. I'm not going to fill this up. I'm just going to count how many different things I have to make 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's the number I'm making. So I have the presents with stripes and the presents with polka dots. There are 1, 2 stripy presents and 1, 2, 3 polka dotted presents. 2 plus 3 equals 5. All right, let's count on. They give me 8, and I need to count on from that. So the next number would be 9. And then I move to 10, 11, and finally 12. For my next train, the beginning number is 2. After 2 would be 3, and then I'll have 4, 5, and 6. If I come down here, they want me to count the snowballs and write the number in the mitten. Let's count our snowballs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Remember, when you're counting, it's always best to move top to bottom, left to right, just like the way you read, and that helps you remember which ones you've counted. I also make a little mark on it because it just makes it easier for me. Okay, let's count these guys on this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 snowballs on this side. Good work. Good job. Make sure you finish up everything and you can close your morning work folder and you're done with morning work for today. Good job, guys.